Hi fam. I wanted to do a video for the kids that are out of school just to give them something to do while they're on their summer break. And congrats, enjoy your vacation. It's a book holder. I think you might have seen them before. Anyway, I'm probably going to do a voiceover because I've got the fan cranked. Because I'm trying to get the mosquitoes off me. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Kinda. Alright. Well, I took the one I had inside. Now in this one I still have to make the holes on them. And then you put that in the book and your thumb will hold it down so the pages hold down. In case you're by a big fan like I am. Anyway, the first thing I do is trace this on paper. Or not on paper, on wood. And I've been using scrap pieces. And I'll just, let's see here. Yeah, and I'll just trace that. I might have to voice over this video. Trace it like that. Now, since this is cedar picket, it might break on me, but we'll find out. And the bandsaw is a little bit too loud, so I figured I would do a voiceover. And also, the video isn't made for kids because of the tools. I'm hoping that parents will realize that and assist them with it if they do want to make it. But anyway, here we go. Put too much stress on old Bessie. then I take it over here to my sander, and I will sand it.
Yes, my belt sander is super loud, and I use it like you're not supposed to, because I just use it as a, whatever. Anyway, don't let your children play with your tools by themselves. Always make sure that they are supervised. And I am not condoning that at all, letting them play with your toys. Tools.
All right. And then I'll take a Forstner bit, Forstner, and make the hole on all three of these. And also, this video is not for children by any means, even though I said because school's out and give them something to do. You still have to supervise. It still has to be parental supervision included in this. For like, don't do what I did and use a hand belt sander that I flipped upside down, and I'm using it as a belt sander. Whatever. Anyway. Dadgum mosquitoes. Alright. And blow those mosquitoes off me. Hey. There we go. Then I'll just sand that. And I took my book inside, but I have a picture in there that I took of how it works. I don't know, I just thought it would be a fun, cute little project for the older children to make while they're out on summer break. Y'all have a good one. Stay blessed and be a blessing, like Pastor Van says.